are staying at one of Dubai's most elegant hotels. From stunning Burj Khalifa views to rich Indian-inspired interiors, this place is all about luxury with character. We will take you through the rooms, the vibes, the food, and everything that makes this hotel more than just a stay. Hello everyone, welcome to Hotel Taj, downtown Dubai. Let's go check out this beautiful hotel together. Walking into the lobby, you are greeted by a stunning chandelier and warm Indian touches, including friendly traditional greeting that make you feel right at home. Quick and smooth check-in, staff were super welcoming right from the start. Okay guys, let's go check out the room together. Look at this beautiful art here. We can scan the card here. Okay guys, welcome to our luxury king room in Hotel Taj with city view. We are going to show you the room details. Let's go check it out together. Okay guys, when you enter the room, on your left side you have the storage area. There is an iron desk there. You see some hangers up here. There is a storage on top. Here we have some laundry bag with the logo of hotel, shoe brush, shoe horn. Here look at this big area for the luggage. It is normally half of this in other hotel. You have a huge space to open your luggage. Down here you have a safe, iron, and you have one more drawer for storage. And here on the down we have shoe polishing kit. That's it. They just knock our door and bring some complimentary suite for us. Look at this beautiful complimentary suites. Okay, here on the entrance right side we have a full lens mirror. Let's go check out the rest of the room. Here in corridor we have a beautiful arts here that representing the hotel. In this side we have the bathroom that we will come back to it later. Let's go check out the beautiful mini bar that they put here. The door open like that. It's so beautiful. Different kind of tea, green tea, black tea, masala chai, black tea, kind of Indian tea, Darjeeling, black tea, Earl Grey, English breakfast tea. So it's all kind of tea here. We have a standard kettle, espresso machine. Down here, two glasses, only two glasses. And on the right side, we have 2 cups for tea and 2 cups for coffee and some sugar. And for the mini bar, down here we have the water, we have Pepsi, 7-Up, we have some Indian tonic water, some apple juice, some beer. We have a small mini bar and table for work. This one, I don't know what is it. It's not working. Whatever it was is not working. We have roasted peanuts, Indian savory mixture, caramel popcorn, and here we have M&Ms, some Pringles, and we have a roasted salted cashew. Here is the prices. Let me put for you that you can see. Prices are not so much high. We have on this corner light for study. We have a power outlet here, the standard USB charge, USB fast charge, HDMI, headphone jack and Bluetooth that will connect to TV or a speaker around the room. Here we have a phone, a standard phone, and we have a notepad, a small notepad with pencil. Here we have a huge TV just in front of our bed. We have over the TV some beautiful art that is give an amazing touch to the hotel. Down here we have 3 storage space that's empty. Here we have our hair dryer. Here we have a beautiful sofa for 2%, coffee table. We have a beautiful purple art that match the curtains, the bed. Here on this side bed we have a complimentary water here. We have a glasses here. We have a phone here, another notepad and pencil here, and the interesting part is the switch here. Night light, we have master switch, wall light, dim. We can dim it down or dim it up. The light in the room, you can turn off the entry light, turn on entry light. You can have a reading light. You can turn on your do not disturb, and you have a power outlet just on your right side of the light control. Is actually amazing control. You can control all the light in the room. It's one of the most complete light control in the rooms. We had one more surprise. They already bring us one complimentary plate of chocolates. Again, they bring us one more. Look at this beautiful complimentary cupcakes, and also one more plate of dates and chocolate. The room has a beautiful color, modern and clean, mixed with Indian design details that really stand out. Okay guys, here we have our king bed. It's a beautiful, comfortable bed. We have 6 pillows. We have 2 big pillows and 2 small purple pillow, one round pillow here. You can see the color of bed is matched with the design of the room and curtains. We have up here some beautiful classic style. We have in this corner bedside everything similar to the other side of bed. Here we have a beautiful glass. You can watch the bathtub and the bathroom completely. So as you see, it's a very beautiful bathroom that we are gonna check it out later. As I said, in this corner also one more telephone. We have a small notepad, and we have all the switch here again. We have one more power outlet, complimentary water, glass here. Down here we have one more sleepers and a drawer with a mat for praying and the Quran. As you know, here is an Islamic country. Again, this for extra space. Totally exactly the same everything on this side with other side of the bed, and you can see the view of bathtub from this corner here. Let's go check out the bathroom. As always, welcome to the bathroom. Let's check the details of the bathroom together. We have 2 sinks here on this corner, shaving kit, toothbrushes. We have vanity kit and shower cap. One complimentary water and glass, another complimentary water and glass. We have 2 small hand towels. We have a body lotion, brown, molten brown, soap here, hand towels, big hand towels. Here we have a scale and another towel for floor, and we have a mat also for floor after bathtub. Here we have toilets. You can see we have a standard toilets. On this side we have the shower. We have the rain shower on top, different kind of shampoo, conditioner and body lotion on this corner. Here we have 2 bathrobes. On top here we have 2 big towels. On my right side you see our beautiful bathtub. It's a huge big bathtub that you can look at the bed and the room. Also you can close the curtain here for some privacy. enjoyed the room tour. We had an amazing night here, and now is finally time for the breakfast I have been waiting for. We have got loads of options here. Everything from international dishes to a full spread of Indian breakfast classics. And if you are in the mood for something special, you can even order straight from the menu to your table. The lobby here is gorgeous, modern with rich Indian touches, like the art and the stunning chandelier. You will even find a little gold shop with traditional jewelry. And yep, there is a kids' playroom too. They have thought of everything. The gym is really nice, super clean, well organized and packed with all machines you need for a solid workout. Okay guys, let's check out the pool and bar area together. Out here, you have got a stylish bar and a chill pool area. Perfect for relaxing with a drink or just soaking in the view. Great vibes, especially in the evening. Okay guys, our stay at Hotel Taj downtown Dubai has come to an end. This was one of the best stays we have had in Dubai. The location in downtown was very convenient with a shuttle to Dubai Mall every hour. The room design and colors were amazing and the hotel was extremely clean. It has a nice Indian vibe which adds to the experience. Considering the service, quality and cleanness, the price of this hotel is truly worth it. Also guys, it's very important to mention that our video is not sponsored by any hotel. We paid for our stay ourselves and everything you see is based on our personal experience. If you are planning to visit Dubai and stay in downtown area, we honestly think this hotel is totally worth it. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, comment and subscribe and see you in next hotel.